This is Briana Williams, one of the Jamaican most beautiful athlete we have ever seen. Now, in case this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe before we continue. Briana Williams became a sensation and she became famous and popular at the same time because of her beauty and of course because of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. She was able to get a gold medal in the 4 by 100 meter. That was able to make Brianna Williams so popular in the whole wide world. But it is so sad to see that Brianna Williams had a lot of setbacks in 2023. Her season was so poor to the extent that a lot of people are cutting her out when it comes to calling top athlete in Jamaica. But guess what? Briana Williams has been training ever the World Athletic Budapest ended. She has been training so hard for the 2024 season, and she is definitely ready to dominate in 2024 this season for Paris Olympic. But a lot of people are doubting the ability of Brian Williams qualifying for the 100 and 200 meter individual for Paris Olympic. The reason behind this is because Jamaica already have the three best and top athlete that they are already hoping to qualify. People like Shelly, Elaine, and Shericka Jackson. So a lot of people are feeling like the chance for Briana Williams is actually little, but do not underestimate the power of hard work because Briana Williams has been training a lot, and I cannot wait to see what she has to unveil for the 2024 season. Briana Williams may have been forgotten by people, but I do believe that she has not forgotten about herself. I do believe that she still believes in herself. I do believe that she will come back stronger and more powerful. Let me know what you think.